Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if notifications are not working on your Notify for Xiaomi app. The first step to check if your notifications are not working would be to check if you maybe don't have Do Not Disturb or Silent modes enabled. You can try turning them off and seeing if this fixes your problem. If it does not, however, you can go into Notifications and in here checking if the apps you want to have notifications from are turned on. Of course, not all of the apps are going to be available here, but out of these you can try checking if they are turned on. Of course, if you want notifications from Facebook to arrive at your band, you can turn it on. If you don't want them, you can turn them off. Next thing you could try is, of course, go into notification settings and just check if you maybe don't have sleeping time enabled, which would disable notifications from in a set time period. You can try turning it off or adjusting the time from which you don't have any notifications. For example, setting it to only work until 6 AM from the midnight, or just turn it off altogether. Also, you could then go into more and then try scrolling down and tapping on Notify Your Friend. In this way you might get to check if notifications are working with your phone anyways. Just put in a custom title, custom text. You can put anything you want, really. This is just to test it, and afterwards it's going to send a notification to your Mi Band, or it should send it, which it doesn't in this case. So we are going to test out how we can make it work. The next thing you could try is to, of course, try checking on your band if Do Not Disturb isn't turned on. If it's not, then try going into Home, Settings, here into Settings. Then in here you can try resetting the app list to default, which might help out with notifications, which, you know, just turn it to the default settings. But another thing you could try to check if notifications are working is go into Settings again, App Notifications, and click on Self-Check to try and see if notifications are working correctly. If it says they are, then they probably are. Well, yes, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.